Welcome to our deep dive into how AI is revolutionizing agriculture, especially for small farmers in rural India. We'll explore how modern technology is transforming traditional farming practices, bringing unprecedented efficiency and insight. Join us as we witness the future of farming unfold in the heart of rural India, embracing innovation for a sustainable tomorrow. See how technology empowers small farmers, providing them with tools to overcome challenges and thrive in a changing climate. Drones are no longer just for surveillance. They're becoming essential tools for modern agriculture. With aerial views, farmers can monitor crop health, identify issues early, and make data-driven decisions. Drones deliver precision spraying and irrigation, reducing waste and ensuring optimal nutrient distribution. Beyond drones, advanced sensor technology plays a crucial role in smart farming. Sensors provide real-time data on soil health, helping farmers manage nutrients and moisture effectively. This constant flow of data empowers farmers to make informed, timely decisions for better yields. Artificial intelligence is bringing sophisticated analytical power directly to the farm. AI-powered tools predict weather patterns, helping farmers plan planting and harvesting with greater accuracy. From yield optimization to early crop disease detection, AI helps maximize productivity and minimize losses. It's not just about technology, it's about real people and real change. Hear directly from local farmers whose lives and livelihoods have been transformed by these innovations. These advancements are leading to increased income and more sustainable farming practices. The journey of agritech in India is just beginning, promising a bright future for farmers. Efforts are underway to expand access to these technologies, reaching more remote farming communities. By embracing innovation, we are empowering the next generation of farmers to feed the world more efficiently and sustainably.